The city's crying in the pouring rain, broken hearts and endless pain. But one man stands against the tide, with lightning burning deep inside. A father's strength, a hero's soul, protecting lives is always the goal. When darkness rises, I won't run. I'll fight until the battle's won. The storm is calling, hear my name. Justice burns inside these veins. No fear can steal what I believe. Hope is stronger than what they see. I am black like lightning. Feel the thunder, hear the sky. Stand together, we will rise. Every strike lights up the night. Every heart ignites the fight. For my family, for my home, I'll never stand alone. Every lesson that I teach, every child that I can reach, power isn't born from fear, it's protecting those held dear. Daughter standing by my side, together we become the light. No matter what tomorrow